What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna do a garbage truck video, and yeah, let's start. As you guys can see, he's over here. As you guys can see, picking up bins. All right, guys, so he's coming. You knocked it down. Guys, it's compacting. You can hear all the rubbish. Ba-bum. Oh, guys, look, he's coming. Guys, look, he's there. That's the garbage truck. Done. Guys, look, the driver is coming out. Look. The other driver came out too. Oh no, guys, the grabber's broken, left out. Like, guys, like the grabber's like. Here, guys, let me show you. Come with me. So guys, look, as you can see, the drivers came out. It's because the grabber is broken. There's something wrong with the grabber. so they have to come out. Yay, they fixed the grabber. Oh, Jesus. Sorry. Jill. Who? Who? The grabber was broken like this. Look, guys, just like that. So look, as you can see, the grabber is like open. It was broken, just like that. And they had to try to push it in with their bare hands, dude. It's so gross, dude. Dude, that's even more gross. And they even had to use their tongues with their hands. And the other guy, the helper, likes to lick his tongue. Then after he licked his fingers right after he pushed the grabber in. That's super gross, dude. Why is there a face on top of the garbage truck? Hi, my name is Simon. Oh no. Look, I think I got it out, guys. That's not real. Oh no, guys, he dropped the grabber in. Oh, guys, I think he's climbing a ladder in the back. Oh yeah, he is. They got it out, at least, guys. They got it out, didn't? Oh no, he missed the trash. There's still a piece of trash inside. Here we go, guys. The final bit of trash bins. Just joking, it isn't. Oh look, the guy from the house came outside to put stuff in the bins, into bins. We help. What are the flowers? Is it white? Sorry about that, guys. Let's try to check something. Oh, I heard something big inside there. Let's see what fell inside. Oh my goodness, guys. Look, that's some bricks. You can't I don't think you can put bricks in the gray bin. But my granddad does that anyways. No, he doesn't. He doesn't put bricks in the gray bin. He doesn't put bricks in any trash bin. I personally think that's illegal. Like, you shouldn't put bricks in the trash bin. Wow, there's actually nothing inside there. Look, guys, the garbage truck. Oh, guys, the garbage truck cannot reach the bin. Look, going all the way out. Look, see. Look, see, you can't reach it. See, so the driver needs to come out. Oh, that's the wrong driver. That's the wrong person who came out. That's the helper in the door. Remember, I thought he was a driver. The driver's bringing all the bins closer. Guys, do you think this bin's gonna make the noise? Comment down below and just say the first black bin is gonna make the noise. It's gonna make a noise. You gotta do it right now. I'll leave 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 5, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. You had it all that time. guys, comment down below if you say the second last gray bin is gonna make the noise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, if you said yes, then you are correct. Oh guys, look, he knocked it down. You have to come out. Look, guys, see? Do you see how the doors open? Over there? You have to come out. Bum bum. Well, guys, look, he's gone. Hey, camera, how you doing? Well, that light is bad. Bro, that's sick. Who's that? Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then smash down the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But before we leave, I'm gonna show you what the garbage truck did all around the city. So this is what he came. So he came over here, yeah. And he picked up these bins right here. Then he closed this one. He knocked this one down. He closed this. He opened that one. Close it. Open. Close. Open. close. No lid. And knock down. Oh, he knocked it down 3 times in a row. And he closed all of it except that one. He did all that too. Oh my goodness. He's opening so much and he's closing most. And this is the end. And now he's gone. Look, see guys? See? He's not there. Look, see? He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone forever. We're not seeing him yet. Well guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then smash that like button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Hope you have a good day. And I'll see you guys next time. La 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 la.